Ayan, magandang tanghali, magandang umaga, magandang gabi sa inyo. Tayo nagupit sa side lang. Inano ko yung nakita ko kasi si Prince ano ba yun? Yung anak ng hari. Nakita ko wala na siyang buhok dito eh. Tapos dito meron. Sabi ko magandang style yun ah. Dito ko ilagay yung buhok. Tapos dito wala. Kaya yan. Nakita ko sa Reels ata. Punta tayo ng Costco. Hindi ko matandaan kung ano yung bibilhin ko eh. Pero naplano ko na yun eh. Kaya maganda may notes eh no. Lagay natin itong. Ayan. Para may tayo. Tapaludo. And pag-usapan natin yung kaiba ng broker sa mismo sa bangko lang. So karamihan ng ng mga nagpapa credit check o kaya yung kung ano yung magkano ang allowed ka sa bangko, nag-iisa lang yung mo, ang choice mo talaga. Yung standard lang ng bangko. So tapos bibigyan ka lang ng isang amount na allowed ka, depende sa income mo. Yan, sa kung anong mga allowed, kung employee ka o how long you've been in the company, ganyan no. Pero kung sa broker is you're allowed, kung anong pipili ang mortgage broker sa'yo na the best na interest rate. Tapos sa kunwari may 5 kang lending brokerage na magle-lend sa'yo, na allow willing na mag-lend sa'yo. Tapos may iba-ibang interest rate yun eh. Depende sa kanila no, may mga prime rate ng Canada minus yung 1%, ganyan. Sa akin yung First National yung last na inano sa amin, yung prime rate minus 1%. Tapos yung tapos nung tumaas yung prime rate doon, nagtaasan, ginawa kong fix dahil pataas ng pataas every 2-3 months ba yun, yung 1 year na last 2 years ago or so Phoenix namin sa 4.99, which is better than most at this time I think, but it's going down. So yung mga nag-fix is on the disadvantage pagka yung ganyan no? So now I have to shop around kasi every 5 years yun eh. And we've been there almost 4 years, so it's coming up no. And then the other one is MCAP. The first mortgage I had, MCAP was from a mortgage broker as well. I think it's from Dominion Lending. So that was like they're all over Canada. So they shop you the best interest rate sa mga lending companies So that's MCAP. MCAP, I don't know what it stands for again. I'll put it on this link. So yun yung nirecommend ng brokerage, ng broker, mortgage broker tawag doon. So ang kitaan ng mortgage broker is kung saan ka kumuha ng mortgage, may commission sila. Depending on how much you're borrowing, right? So usually it's 2.5% maybe, or something like that, right? So, you know, 2.5% of 100,000 mortgage is what, 2,500. So yan. Tapos yeah, parang may ano pa yan, may cap, parang ganun, no. They can explain you better sa brokerage. Pero pag sa bangko ka lang, stuck ka doon sa interest rate nila, tapos stuck ka lang doon sa standard nila. Tapos if you're gonna go to the other bank, ganun din. But you know, there's some good interest rate na bangko. May PC Financial, that's Scotiabank, under Scotiabank, right? Ano pa yan? Simply Financial. That's maybe under CIBC. Yan. Tapos meron pa nun yung Tangerine Mortgage, ang dami nun and then now they have different names now too. Yan. Tapos insurance, home insurance, Wawanesa Insurance yung nakuha ko. Yung amount ng building tsaka amount ng lupa dito sa Prince George is different amount. Tapos I think there's a deductible for each claim for the land and or the building. Separate siya, no? Separate entity, pero you just pay one. Tapos if you're renting it out, there's a rental insurance. I think it's more premium. But I think I got that from TD, and then the current one we have was Wawanesa. So yan, you shop around kasi nangyayari sa atin, we're too busy in our lives sa trabaho dito sa Canada. So you know, we don't have time to shop around. I think sometimes we have to do it during work hours. You know, we have to be on the phone. Sometimes we have to be on the phone for hours, right? Kasi, you know, it takes time. Yan. So, andito na tayo sa Costco. Yan. Back in tayo. This is better. Back in. Small car only. Para paglabas mo, hindi mo na titignan yung likod. Tsaka maraming space naman dito. Tingin pala tayo nung dito. Yung barbecuehan. Yan. I don't know how much, o baka ubos na. Kasi magana na winter na or fall. Tumaas yung Hero 11 nila, yung 349, 339 lang yan couple weeks ago. Mga hoodie na yung binibenta ngayon. Tignan sana tayo sa mga sample. Busog na tayo. Ito, propane tank 20 pound with gauge, $45. Ayan, Christmas tree. Ayan na, malapit nang kakanta si Mr. Chan. Tapos itong mga butter cookies. Nga pala, bili tayo ng chocolate. Gusto ko yung yung peanut butter crisp, right? Yan, yung kulay orange.
Yeah, boy.
Yan, fishing tayo. 11:14. Pink salmon. Itong walang sawang chicken. Malit yung isa. Parehas lang yan. Ito cinnamon crunch. 1.3. Ito, Fruit Loops. Kaso, makita ko sa reels yan. Hindi daw ano. Hindi daw maganda yan. Yung Fruit Loops. Kuha tayong Doritos. Ito, mas masarap. Mas masarap to. Sweet and tangy. Wala na. Sweet corn flavor. Masarap to ah. Try natin to. Try natin. $7.99. Yan, bili tayo nitong iced tea. For the Gano to? $12.49 plus yung mga deposit, $2.40. Eco fee 48 cents. Bili tayo ng Kirkland spring water, $4.69. 40. Yan, mas mataba yung skim milk, mas mura, 2%, medyo mahal. Homogenized, mas mahal. So tayo yung skim milk. Yun na lang muna bilhin natin. Kasi naparami tayo ulit. Mahal ng bilihin yan. Snack namin yun ah. Mushroom, green rice. Dehydrate ata. Tapos nagda ng flavor. Masarap. So, paborito ni Bunsong Bullseye. Sauce. $8.99 dalawa. $8.99 dalawa sa ano to eh. Parang, isa lang. Sa Walmart. Yan mga ka-vlogs. Naka 96.68 tayo. Ilan bang pieces to? 10 pieces. Bale, average na almost $10 each. Yan, pag-fishing tayo, 11-14, dalawang pink salmon. Wild pink salmon. Wild whole pink salmon. Kaya i-bake na lang natin with dill with tsaka mayonnaise. Bake, ihiwain natin sa gitna. Sarap yun eh. Yan mga vlogs. Palis na tayo ng Costco. Maambon latang nag-iiba na yung klima dahil cloudy. Pero mainit pa rin siya. Kaso nga lang parating na yung lamig. Hindi naman tayo makaka-shorts, short sleeve. Ano nangyari dito? Bakit? Traffic. Ito na lang pala ako doon sa kabila. So, yan, tumuloy tayo sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina, ang kaibahan ng mortgage sa bangko saka sa broker. And sa broker marami kang choices. Ang sa bangko direct na, at saka you have to go to each bank to get their quote kung ano yung qualified ka sa amount na mortgage, right, na credit check ba tawag doon? Magpa-qualified sa mortgage. So ayan meron yung sa nire-refer ng Spot Pinoy, si Susan, asawa ni Kuya Puto. He has his channel sa rin ata siya, Dominion. So she could quote you all kinds, kasi ang Dominion naman, it's all over Canada. But you know, just shop around and see who can give you the best interest rate. Yan. So parang ano rin yan eh, mimili ka rin ng ang tawag nito, ng damit. Siyempre gusto mo quality na makamura ka. Yan. So involves lahat niyan, ng brand name, quality, yan, word of mouth. Ang the best niyan is also the word of mouth, no? Kasi galing dun sa nag-ano na eh, nakapa-experience na eh. So yun din maganda. At saka yun ang best marketing, from the word of mouth. But you know, hindi naman lahat covered, so that's why people have flyers, they advertise sa TV. Yan. So yan, mga ganitong oras, no, 4:30, 4:26 to be exact, 19 degrees, Wednesday. Ewan ko makita nyo yung traffic sa kabila, kasi nag-uwian na yung mga tao. Yan lang pinaka-traffic dito sa North BC. Pero other than that, wala na. You can be home in 10 minutes or less from work. You don't need to sa 401 nun. I have to wait sa 401, nag 6 lanes, 7 lane na ata. But you still feels like a parking lot because it's inches by inches. Because there's a bottleneck, right, na like sabay-sabay na nag-uwian. Ayun, yung iba nagte-train, go train. Yan. But here, yun lang, bottleneck lang, yun lang. Sandali lang yung mga 10 minutes, the most na ata yung extra 10 minutes. Compared to the big city like Toronto or Vancouver. Hindi pa ako nakapag-drive sa Vancouver ng rush hour, no? Pero I'm sure it's the same. Yan. Sabi nila sa bridge, ganyan, no? But sa Toronto, it's from, say, sabihin natin Toronto, saan ba? DVP hanggang Milton. That's like almost more than an hour. But pag walang traffic, it's just maybe 45 minutes. That's gonna be more than an hour. Don Valley Parkway, ewan ko, yun ata yung nabaha. DVP. Ang bilis kasi ng ulan, in a matter of hours, sabi nila comparable sa 1 month daw, or I don't know, yung buhos ng ulan. Wow. Dito mataas ang sea level, at least mga 2,000 feet above sea level ata to eh, close to 2,000 feet. So kaya pagka mainit, masakit sa kabalat. Yan. So ganun, no, meron kang isa-sacrifice pagka nandito ka, ba it's drier air, right? So balat mo parang it feels dry if you don't hydrate. Yan. So yan na muna mga ka-vlogs, at usap ulit tayo next. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits.